Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a turkey. This is actually my first time ever cooking a turkey this big. I ain't gonna lie to you. Usually I don't like turkeys for Thanksgiving that big. I eat regular ones, but I'm like, I'm gonna make it this time. Since I got it and it's here. I took out like already the stuff like that. I see some people use it and keep it. I don't know if I'll do that. But yeah, take that out. It had like a little piece in it. I take this out as well. Okay, now for this part, I'm just gonna like trim it a little bit. And then I'm also trim this side. Okay, this has got they had this inside of it too. I'm gonna take this out too. I know you gotta clean this side of it and everything. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just trim this part, this fat part. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna clean it and everything too. The only thing I got is a little bit of the vinegar and just one lime. Put some into your. I'm gonna dish it here too. Now, but I heard about with dishing, it throws off your pH. However, I'm gonna do it with you. Okay, and I wanna also get it in this hole on top. Stop, G. Okay, get the vinegar. You pour it right here. Alright, this one's kind of hard, y'all. I don't waited so long. Hey, you gotta stop embarrassing me. I'm gonna take this little line because it's trying to get the juice out. It's giving almost impossible. Give you a little bath, girl. I'm gonna name you Turkisha. Turkisha. Got a little hood in me, Turkisha. Now for the ones who, I don't want no hood bird. I don't want no hood turkey. Okay. Tershire. Gotta clean in the arms. We don't need the musk. You feel me? Gotta clean in the arms too. I'm trying to do the best I can with this little bit of stuff I got. When you're basing, you gotta get in all of it, all the spots. Flashing all on me. But you stink something. Try to use this other one, squeeze it in here. And try to clean the inside with this. Oh yeah, I also trimmed off the side. It has some hanging from right here, so I'm cleaning it. I'm gonna take this and you want to let it soak it a little bit longer you can, but I'm just gonna wash it off now. I'm gonna make sure I clean the inside too. Gee, I'm getting hand for me a pour the wood out, please. You just sit right here, I guess.
I came in because I wanted to help you.
Okay, thank you. Feathers a little bit. You can pluck this off. And she plucked this off. Yeah, on the arms they do it a little bit. You gotta get some paper towel and you just want to pat it because you don't want it to be wet. Make sure you get on the arm too. That's just like a person who's taking a bath with good Dove, Caress, smelling all good, even putting on cologne and perfume when they get out. But why would you forget about deodorant? You don't think a few minutes trying to do something, you don't think you're gonna get sweaty?
You're gonna smell musky. You're gonna smell musky.
So you gotta get on the arms too.
Make sure I put on deodorant.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn it over. Pat them up. And I'm also gonna get on this part of the wing too. And in between the legs and everything. Turn it over one more time. Girl, just turn over. Just stay one side. Just turn over, please. Get into this hole. I'm gonna pat that a little bit too.